Good morning, dear students. Today we start new chapter, that is chapter number 14, construction using ruler and a pair of compass. So first of all we have to know about the geometrical instrument. So this instrument is known as the compass, and this one is the ruler, and the third one, that is I have a protractor. So this is used to draw the angles. This is used to draw the geometrical shapes like perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, what we have to draw, and this is used to measurement. So today we learn three things: to draw the perpendicular bisector of any given line, to draw an angle equal to a given angle, and to draw the bisector of an angle. So let's start one by one. So first we do the how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Suppose that I draw a line of 8 centimeter. If I draw a line of 8 centimeter, so how we draw a line of 8 centimeter? So AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So how we can draw this perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular means a line which divides this line AB at a straight line and it into equal parts. That is, bisector means cut anything into two equal parts. Perpendicular means at the 90 degree. So how we can bisect it? Any line at a perpendicular bisector. So we put the pointer of compass at A and take an arc more than half. After that we have to give an arc above the line and give an arc below the line. We have not to change the arc of this compass and put that pointer on B, and again when we draw, we see that it cut the previous arc at mentioned point. So when we match these two intersecting points, I not meet this here, it comes to this, but I have to erase it. So what we see, this is the perpendicular bisector. So what we see, if we measure that, we see that it divides the line into equal parts. Our line passes through the 4. So this one is the one part and this one is the another part. So if we point O, then OA is equal to 4 centimeter and OB is also 4 centimeter. This way we can draw the perpendicular bisector. Another one, to draw an angle equal to the given angle. I have already drawn an angle, that is angle ABC, which is the measurement of this angle is approx 60. So how we can draw the another angle that is equal to this angle? So first of all we have to draw a line, any line of any measurement. When I draw a line, this is a ray and this point is O and this is the A. So after that when we draw a line OA, we have to take an arc, put this at B and take an arc of any measurement like this. We have to take the same arc, we put here, and when we round this here with the radius this, we see that it intersect OA at a point, this, so mark it a name P, and this is the D and E. After that we have to take the radius of DE. This is the measurement of the DE. So after taking the measurement of DE, we have to put it at the point E and cut it. We see that it cut the previous arc at this point. Now we mark it at a point Q. When we join POQ and produce it OQ and produce it M, this angle is equal to this angle. We see here that it is approximately 60. So this is equal to this angle. Now again third one is to draw the bisect of an given angle. How to draw an bisector of the given angle? Bisect means we have to divide this angle into two equal parts. So if we measure this angle, I have already drawn, this is the 80 degree. So if we have to, using the compass, we have to divide this into two equal parts. That is the bisector of the given angle. So how we can bisect the given angle? We have to take any convenient radius of an arc from O. So I take an arc here and cut it. After that mark it the name, that is P and Q. With the P as center, take an more than half of this radius. Means that it means that this is the, take an half, not complete, more than half, and take it. I have taken the more than half an arc. This center now we cut it like this and this, one time from the P and one time from the Q of the same arc, more than half. Now if we join this, suppose that this is the arc, if we join this and produce it up to any measurement, so if we measure this angle, we see that this is the equal to 40 degrees. So this way we can draw the angle bisector. I hope that all of you understand how to draw the perpendicular bisector, an angle equal to the given angle, and the angle bisector. If you face any problem, you can ask in the group. Thank you.